I love San Francisco. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful out here. My hair. Yeah. Look how beautiful the sky is too. It's all pretty much clear. There's some really cool spots, let me see. There's some cool spots right around that area. There's like a little cave, and the water goes through. That's pretty cool. I've been there. And way at the end on this side, way over there, there's like, there's, it just goes on and on and on. I'm not even sure if there is anything out that way. But this is Ocean Beach here now. And that's it. I just wanted to, wait, let me see. I'm trying to keep my somewhat professional equipment. Professional. Meaning, all I could think of is a heart right away. I could build a sandcastle. This break was like totally needed. I needed this break. Okay. When I hear a sound like an airplane going over, I always think it's boredom. I'm bored. But that's not true in this case. I'm making a sandcastle. Who cares? To be honest, I can't believe I made it all the way out here. Kind of debating if I should take off my shoes or not. Yuma. I should have brought shorts. I should have brought like a lot of other stuff. I just thought I'd bring Yuma out here and just leave him out here. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna leave you out here. I don't think he would let me anyway. He would be just he would find his way back somehow. Okay, so in my research for finding out more about dogs, because I've been so interested in my dog lately, I have come to find out that dogs are so gifted that they can sense or see our carbon footprint. So long after several hours has passed by, Yuma will be able to, my dog, any dog pretty much, with a good sense of smell, will ultimately be able to see where a person's gone and what he's doing. It's sort of time travel a little bit. It's just really neat. If I look at it the way my friends were telling me, that kind of like in a gameplay kind of thing too, like if you're playing Zelda or something, that if you get a dog, that dog's gifts and talents are most likely going to be a part of me, as long as I learn what his capabilities are, and if I'm able to train him, because he's already trained and imprinted on me. So that's already established. I mean, he'll pretty much do his job around me. Anyways, so that was kind of neat how I looked at that. So Yuma's talents and stuff most definitely can be part of. I could use it anyway. Oh, cool. All right, there's no. I can make a bridge. I'm making a sandcastle like the way I was taught so long ago. I must have been only like 8 years old or something. And who taught me? Louis Forster taught me. Matthew Forster taught me how to make a sandcastle in sandbox. There was no ocean out in New Mexico when I was 8 years old, but there was plenty of sand though, and there was a sandbox. There was a sandbox that I used to I don't think we played in it too much, Matthew and me. Matthew was more like, he was pretty much my my childhood friend. And he wasn't imaginary, he was actually real. I had to say that before somebody says, hey, you have a lot of friends, but most of your friends aren't real. Okay. I'm just kidding, by the way. So please don't start thinking that I have all kinds of imaginary friends, which I may or may not have. Okay, here's the wall. Okay, the bridge, from what I understood when I was younger, was so that keeps bad people out, or invaders of the castle. I wonder how they learned how to make a sandcastle. They must have been to the beach or something. kind of half-assing it right now. I just wish I brought like a towel or something so I could just lay here all day. This is my YouTube castle. My Yuma and YouTube castle. Okay. I can't believe that I don't really spend that much time out here. As much as I feel like I should. Because the ocean is in Tulsa, Oklahoma, people can't really see the ocean as often as they probably want to. Just for example, Tulsa. I just chose Tulsa out of the bag because I used to live there, and out there's nothing but sky, beautiful sky, and flat land. Well, rolling hills, I guess. I don't know. Was that all I learned? No, there's a tower. You have to have a tower for the. Well, since I'm the only one, I only need one tower. I'm trying not to be the camera. I'm not like the buffest person in the world. Okay. Alright. It's a small tower, but it'll work. Oh, I know. There you go. Well, I won't go any further than that. I have to look at it from far away so I can see where to put the walls. Yuma's so patient, but at the same time we don't have a whole lot of people expecting us anywhere. It's not like we have a huge following of people in order. Just my mom and my friends, I guess. 2 or 3 subscribers, whatever. Okay. I was trying to think of stuff that I could use to scoop out extra dirt. If it wasn't for Corona, you'd think that today is just a regular, normal day. Matthew used to say that there was alligators or crocodiles down inside the marsh. What is that called? And I think we brought it up one time that there was sharks in there too, but there can't be sharks and crocodiles and all of those things all living together in a small little moat, or I think this is called a moat. I'm not sure. But that's it. I'm done. Wait, I'll show you. Hold on, just give me 1 second. With my luck, I forgot to press record, and this castle is not going to see anybody's YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Before I move the camera, that is my camera. I am Nelson. You, Idea. Yuma, come here. This is Yuma. This is Ocean Beach, California. San Francisco. This is my deal. Yuma, what do you think of our castle? That's the tower. It's supposed to be taller, but I didn't come prepared. There's the moat where alligators and other crap. I'm just laughing because usually kids are doing this, and here I am being a little kid. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for building sandcastle with me. I gotta get out of here. Bye.